Hi guys, this is Global Cooking Studio and today I'm going to show you how to cook so easy fish curry. This is so delicious, it's beyond quick, beyond simple, it's fresh, perfect for the midweek. So before starting I'm gonna give you an introduction about curry. Curry is an umbrella term referring to a number of dishes originating in the cuisine of Indian subcontinent. The common feature is the use of complex combinations of spices and herbs. So let's begin. Here you can see few pieces of fish which are raw fish and are marinated already. For marinating fish you put all the spices you like and put this in the refrigerator and for few minutes it's ready. For spices I used here red chili powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, special fish curry powder, spice powder and some tomatoes, onions, etc. So the first thing I'm gonna do is frying the fish on a frying pan. Next I'm frying onion and I'll be frying it until it gets golden brown color, and then I'll be adding all the spices and we'll make it like a paste. Now I'm adding tomato paste in here. Here I'm adding water and I will be cooking it for a few minutes. Now we can see the chains here, and this is the right time to add all the fish. Now I'm adding some water in here, and I'll be cooking it for like 5 to 10 minutes and we're done. There it is. Here you go. So easy, simple way of cooking delicious smelling fish curry. It took me around 20 to 30 minutes maximum. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment, share, and please subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon. Goodbye.